For the first time, history is happening without us. Robotics, automation, and artificial intelligence are replacing the ways we used to contribute in our communities. And if we're going to have a role in this 21st century, we're going to have to create it together. 21st Cent Ed is meeting with educators to find the answer to one question.
How will our schools not feel like the schools that our parents went to?
How many kids have we put our thumbs upon because they know the quadratic equation?
How do we get them exposed to the world so that they are not afraid?
People always tell me, oh, I hated science. How could you possibly like science? It was so boring.
No student is the same, but yet we standardize the way we assess our kids.
The kids love STEM because you're not sitting there all day just trying to understand a concept. You're doing something that you're going to be proud of later on.
For me, being part of the STEM-centered book allows me to give a different voice.
When I was asked to write this, I started thinking, why did I become a science teacher?
If you're serious about this STEM product, you need to take notes on how you're feeling, what you're seeing, because that's the way our kids today learn.
The STEM Century book and documentary, capturing STEM transformation one district at a time.